Hey, what's good guys? Welcome back to TechSmartt, and you know what time it is. It's time to open up some mystery boxes. So in case you guys don't know how mystery boxes work, make sure you get subscribed so you do. Basically, I'm gonna head on eBay, type in mystery box, and see what we get. Here we go. It's always so scary seeing what's gonna pop up and what the first price is gonna be. And by the way, I said in the last video, if we hit a like goal of 25,000 likes, I'd spend $2,000 on mystery boxes in this video. But since we came so close, we hit 17,000. I'm only gonna spend $1,000, maybe $1,700. So drop a like. If we hit 25,000 likes again, I'll give it to you one more time. I'll spend $2,000 on mystery boxes. Okay, let's do it for real. The first one's $6. I can't do anything with the $6 mystery box. I'm probably getting just air. What's going on? 99 cents? From China? Practical Gadget's mysterious box, 100% random box case. That's why I make these videos for you guys, and hopefully you like them, because we're about to spend some serious money and get off the first page, because it's only 99-cent mystery boxes and $5 ones. Okay, here we go. $100 mystery random box. Video games, books, electronics, weird, fun, great gift. That sounds like it's right up my alley. $100, it's shipping from Randolph, Massachusetts. $13 shipping. So you know this has got to be a big box. When the shipping's that expensive, you know it's good. What's in the description? I'm an experienced seller. Contains a variety of items, fast and free. Price $100, over $100 retail value. So this guy's being legit. I love it. 26 feedback and you call yourself experienced? I'll be the one to find out. Someone's got to do it. What else is in the cart? The other mystery box from Canada. I love it. Sometimes I leave surprises in here for myself. It's a $95 mystery box with over $400 worth of value, and it's a women's beauty box. We're leaving that in the cart. Let's go back to eBay, type in mystery box. I'm gonna type in 500 and just see what we get. Kind of like the Daytona 500. Wait, did I get that right, or is it the Indy 500? I don't even know. Let me know in the comments which race it is. Is it both them? Okay. Woo! Jeez, sometimes I'm just saying stuff. I love it, dude. We're not even getting a mystery box on this one, guys. We're going with the mysterious surprise treasure box, 500 plus value. I love it. It's literally a picture of a red iPhone and it says the word surprise box on it. So $3 shipping from the Bronx. No way. I have never seen it this low before. This guy, are you ready, has 60% feedback. That means out of every 2 things he sells, 1 is a scam. If it's 60% positive feedback, maybe we'll make it 65%? Mysterious surprise treasure box, knockout novelties, good feedback, no description. Ooh, that's sketch. Free shipping. Yes, sir. Wait, what? Some products may have damage to retail packaging. Okay, that's fine. I thought it said some products may be damaged. That would not be okay. So let's head to cart. Woo! Let's get this stuff ordered. I spent $1,124. Hopefully they show up, but we're probably gonna get scammed. So it's been about 2 weeks and all 4 mystery boxes showed up. And why is that a big deal? Because it's not every day every mystery box shows up. So yes, the mystery box gods have blessed us. We are 4 for 4. Let's open up some boxes. Okay, I just see a bottle of mayo. You see that bottle of mayo in there? Wow, someone was really outdoorsy. This is the outdoorsy box. This could be a used fly swatter. So I'm not gonna touch this part. I bent it. Dude, we got my new katana. And then we got knockoff mayonnaise. Is this an instrument? Or is this a motion activated light? Where does one find this stuff? So you just throw that in. This is the ball that detects it. I can tell you, this will not ever be used. Like, check this one out at Goodwill. Catch it on Mercari. It's just not happening, guys. Whoa, boy. We got some fishing boots and or some rain boots. These are rad. Oh, I knew my size. Oh, that was just a scream and I think a voice crack, but it says size 13. I'm so pumped, man. Yeezy don't got anything on K-Dog. We have a mousetrap, really, wow. Was this, do we put the instrument as the bait? I don't know. Nice little $6 magazine there. Some flowers for your girl, because at this point, she's gonna leave you with all the money you invested and lost. All right, well, I don't think we've ever really like said it here on what's inside the mystery box, but I got scammed. This is bad. I spent $500 to get what I thought would be an outdoors box. No, we get a single backpacker magazine, motion detection light, and not even real mayonnaise. Like, maybe this is worth the 500. I haven't had mayo in a hot sec. Do I just do it? I don't know how much this next box costs. At the end of the day, they're mystery boxes, so I'll know when I open it. Dude, really? Really? And you know it's great, because it says Supreme Power on it. Okay, let's be super respectful in the comments, all right, guys? We got what looks like a nice broadcast microphone. I've seen this before. Is this a wallet or SD cards? Is this something that was bought on the As Seen on TVs? Did they super glue it? Josh, can you please help me open this? Like, oh, it's a button. Whoa. Now I only lost $94 on this box. What else do we get? Oh, another thing from Quirky. I've seen these. These are kind of cool. So you can wrap your earbuds around it, and then you wrap your cable. Just kind of keeps everything a little more organized because, let's face it, a single cable or a single pair of headphones can get tangled so quickly. Kind of cool. I'm gonna grab some headphones. I think this is my first candle in a mystery box. Appreciate ya. So this is kind of cool. Basically, you take your cubed adapter that comes with your iPhone, plug your cable in here, make sure it doesn't pop out, and then you wrap the excess cable just around the side here. And what's dope is the silicone swings on down, keeps your cable nice and organized, and you charge your phone. And what's cool is you still got access to the prongs here, so AC adapter in the wall, little cable to charge your phone, no cord, no mess. Now what's also cool is Quirky, the same company that made this, they made a product to basically keep this from happening. Give me 10 years, I'll untangle this. Whoa, this is so sick. All right, well, I'm amused by the dumbest things. A candle got me excited. This is cool, because everyone does this. Everyone knows that their headphones are gonna get tangled. This is actually a product that solves it. Same with this one. The wallet is pretty dumb, and the microphone. Josh, can you do a price check on this? Let's see if we made some money here. It's the Shure SM7B. How much is this? Please don't say $1.
$400.
Whoa! Oh, whoa! Dude, maybe this is a $500 box? You see what I'm saying? I don't even know the prices of these boxes. You know what I spent? You saw the ordering. $400? Hit it up on Mercari or eBay, boys. Someone buy this. It might work. Wow, we just made some money. This feels really good. Maybe we made money. I'll let you know at the end of the video. You guys tell me, vote up in the iCard, which is your favorite box. Let's open up box number 3. That had a $400 mic in it. Maybe these mystery boxes aren't all junk. Like, maybe you're actually getting some deals. No. I spoke way too soon. What do these colors mean? I don't even know. I really do appreciate the headband. You guys know me. Without a headband, I just don't feel confident and I just don't feel like myself. We got, oh, hell yeah. Gamer portable. It's basically a Nintendo, but it's not Nintendo. I'm checking this out. Yo, Josh, is this a GameCube, dude? Have you ever seen this? Whoa. It takes batteries. All right, well, Josh gets batteries for the GameCube. Hot fries are my favorite chip, so that's not bad. What is this? Let me know in the comments if you know what this guy's called. And it's not just a dancing taco. I'm pretty sure there's some name behind this guy. A pair of eyeglasses. Are they prescription? Can't see, because they are. Squooshos? Makes 3 squooshos. Add expanding water beads and glitter. Oh my God. It was at this point he realized this was his life. Filling up stress balls. Kind of interesting. Jack Daniels chapstick, Tennessee Fire. This chapstick, this is used chapstick. No. Is this a pool toy? That just went right by Ev's head. I love it. Let's fill up this squishy ball here. We have our expanding water beads. You know, I'm not even gonna read the directions. I've been watching enough DIY slime videos here on YouTube, so we're all right. All right, let's put these in the funnel. Okay, maybe a little glitter. All right, we'll give it a little glitter gas here. Man, it's been a while since Tech Dumb's done some arts and crafts. I like it. All right, pour it in. Oh! Ow, ow, that burns, ow, ow, okay, ow. All right, I'm gonna tie this and you can look at your squishy, stressy ball. But the funny part is there is more stress being created than being relieved. I'm gonna go wash my hands. Whoa, okay, that might have been worth the pain. Ow, maybe I just have a rash or something. I don't know, I'm okay now. Let these water beads absorb water. Now you got a balloon. Okay, it's leaking. It's leaking. I don't know how much this box is for. Josh, do you have the Game Boy Advance? I'm covered in glitter, dude. I'm a mess. I'm giving up. Dude, like this glitter is thick with 2 C's. It's time to try out what I think will either make or break this box. How do you turn this thing on? Okay, I'm telling you right now, my skin is burning. I don't know why, I don't know how. All I can say is one thing led to another and this got on me. And we're in the elevator. Sure, I'll play some tennis. No, I want 4 bounds and 4 speed. You know I'm Roger Federer. I actually did play tennis. Final set? We didn't even play. I don't even see myself. It's like Wii Tennis, just worse. What? No! Okay, the battery's popped out because there's no back cover on it. I want to get 1 point. We're gonna ramp the hardness down a little bit. Pick an easy opponent. Oh, I thought that was an ace. All right, backhand him. Cross court, here we go. Come on, boys. You're giving him cupcakes. Worst mystery box ever because I lost. Oh, and a pack of napkins because when it gets lonely, am I right? I feel like a sexy librarian. All right, box number 4, the final box. I feel like I'm a librarian. Whoa, okay. So we'll start off with these. These are the new Air Power chargers by Apple. It hasn't come out yet, just please stick with us. It'll be out by the end of the year. Another cactus. Well, you can see, my friends, we have an homage. Put the cactus right there, and let's put Mr. Dancing Taco, until we get a real name for him, right there, and an emoji backpack. Does this even fit my body? Dude, I literally have to be barely legal to wear this. It's an iPhone 6 Plus case. I know we're on the iPhone 10 now, but man, I would have loved this at some point. So it's just like a bumper styled case. Is that metal? That is metal. That's the way to always tell. Really nice bumper case. This would have been sick if I got this a few years ago. Oh, and there's a screen protector. Both are plastic. You know what? I love when they send me books. Super Science Experiments, Amazing Energy Experiments. Do you think they have an Audible for this one, dude? Halo, whoa. It's a Funko. I wish it was a Funko. I mean, we have our action figure set up right here. Bam, we are 4 for 4 in this video. Is this a fashion statement or steel wool? Oh, it's a metal sponge. We got 1 for 2nd place and we got 1 for 1st place. Where's the bronze one, dude? It's an obnoxious cable that has micro USB and lightning. So here's the last thing. I'm gonna open this up. It could be a huge bracelet, a wedding ring, maybe a Bitcoin wallet. You never know. Here we go. I'll let you see it first. I got something to ask you. TechSmartt audience, it's been 8 years of beautifulness. Will you marry me? Whoa! Actually dope! Why are there just random shoelaces here? Whoa, that's kind of cool. Yo, Josh. How much is an Invicta watch? Can you look it up? Dude, what if it's like a Rolly? You got a dab of ranch? I actually got mayo. It's not an Invicta watch. They just scooped us in the box. Then we would have made money this video, guys. One of these days. How much is a Breitling?
50 bucks.
I'll take it. That's worth it. Pair of shoelaces, an iPhone case for a phone that's 3 years old, and a baseball because who doesn't like the Sandlot? And they left us a dreidel. You have one job, dreidel. You just have to spin, and you can't even do that. This was what's inside the mystery box. I'm all mysteried out. So yeah, guys, that's it for this video of what's inside the mystery box. If you guys liked it, make sure to drop a like and get subscribed by clicking that circle button if you're new, and check out the last 2 mystery box videos over here. Hit me up on Insta if you guys find anything cool that you want me to check out, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.